Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Jesus.
Are you mad? Hello, sir. Are you mad?
No.
Jesus! I don't want peace. I want problem.
Hello.
Jesus! This man.
Can I know my offense? Can I know my offense? You was handling me. Can I know my offense?
You gonna explain tire. I don't want peace. I want problem.
Jesus!
This man.
Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un autre jour.
Jesus! Wetin be this? Jesus. Blood of Jesus. See my head, they go inside this place. This guy, they give me